We are finally ready to get the ice drifter out for some sweet drifting action this season. Why don't you come along with us? Hello and welcome back to Gears and Tech. You guys already saw us build our sweet Subaru ice drifter. We built one last year. We went out for some ice drifting last year, but this time we want to see what happens when you put a stupid big turbo on a car that wasn't designed for it and push it to the limits. And just how big is our stupid big turbo? Let's have a look. We just put this giant turbo on here, and the way we're fuel managing is just with this blue guy right here. That is a rising rate fuel pressure regulator, and all it does is get the extra boost pressure from the turbocharger, and it just puts extra fuel into the engine. We have no spark management, we have nothing, and the boost pressure is controlled by a manual boost controller. So this engine may not last very long, but we're gonna try and see just what this thing can even do on the ice here in Alberta. Let's go for a drive. Made it out to the lake. It is very, very soft on the top because it's been so warm right now. But we've already got guys here ripping up the track and can't wait to get out there. So we've just got to get this car unhooked and see what this thing can do. Running around out here for about an hour now. It seems to be running okay still. Like everything's still good. The temperatures are good and everything. But we're gonna continue to just beat the crap out of this thing and see how long this can hold up. But let's have a look here. Here we can see temperature is looking good there. Engine revs more or less stable. I mean, check engine light's been on this whole time, so that's not a surprise. Boost gauge holding up nicely. Still revs smooth. It's doing really good. I might have spoken a little bit too soon here. Engine's getting super, super hot and it just stopped running right now. Or did it? Let's see. Let's see. We've been running for a couple hours now. We've been running around. Here's the car. Here's a startup. Let's see. Here we go. Oh, look at that. Let's go check that turbo and engine out. Listen to it. Just running so smooth. I mean, it's hot for sure. We've got oil all over there, spraying oil out everywhere, but our coolant level looks good. Engine's still running super quiet. I mean, it's quiet. It's a Subaru. How quiet do you want it to run? Look at that baby purr. We got the car back on the trailer. I mean, surprisingly, for a broken car, it runs really good. It's actually running better than Parker's Subaru, which is the one that we drove last year and beat the snot out of and thought that that would break, but that one is still running. I may have to change what I think about Subaru if this trend continues. In fact, surprisingly, this avalanche gave us more hassle on this trip in that while we were driving here, I got low oil pressure warning, and it turned out I was low on oil because I'm due for an oil change and I haven't checked the level in a little while. So the Chevy gave us more hassle than that Subaru. Go figure, who would have thought? Anyway, if you guys have questions about this car, you can see us build it on this channel. We built it, we put it all together on the channel. You can check out the videos of that. And if you've got any other questions, I'd be happy to answer them. Who knows what else this car is gonna do? I may end up actually insuring it and putting it on the road and driving around, see how long this broken Subaru actually lasts. Hey, thanks for watching all the way to the end of this video. We hope you enjoy the content in this video, and we'd love to have you come back. Consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't already. And for those subscribers who are looking for that extra special thing that you can do to support this channel, consider joining our members group. That's where we're building this community, the Gears and Tech community, where we can all enjoy content together. You'll get special perks, which we'd love for you to check out by clicking the link down below. For those of you who are just happy to watch the video, that's okay too. You can check out some of our other content right over here, where we've got some previous videos that have already been uploaded and enjoyed by many of our viewers already. We do hope to see you again. This has been Gears and Tech. Have a great day.